it's me, Aina.
Guys, welcome to our vlog. It's me, Misha. It's me, Misha.
It's me, Aina.
It's me, Isa. Today we're having
So, ngayon, guys,
for my mommy.
we have a prepared wedding for Misha's mommy. So,
So
ilagay
don't
na natin
forget
to.
to like, subscribe, and comment, and share nyo na din. At
Kaya nga,
i-click
guys.
po ng notification bell para mag-updated kayo sa mga video namin. So
kaya nga, guys. So, let's go. So, andito kami dito. So, this is the higaan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung view ng labas.
Okay, so
Is it beautiful, guys?
agree.
Ang ganda, no, guys? So,
Yeah.
ayan, guys.
So
We're in a
we
hotel.
have one hour wedding.
Yeah, it's true.
1 hour.
And this is the bathroom.
Yeah.
This is
Tour.
the mirror.
Agree. This is the mirror and the faucet and my toothbrush and
And
toothpaste.
this,
And this is
the
toothbrush and toothpaste.
gamit lang yan,
And
guys.
this is the toilet.
So,
and this
is the toilet.
shower.
Ito yung shower nila, guys. It's so ganda, guys.
Yeah, it's
Meron pang pangangpa dito, guys, oh. Ang lamig ng tubig, guys. Sobrang lamig talaga, guys. So, dito na tayo. So, mag-tour na kami dun sa labas.
Cleaning.
Let's see.
This is
Yun yung labas.
this
So,
is
yun, guys.
outside.
Yeah, so let's lock the door. Kasi, saka guys, don't talk to strangers, guys. So,
Okay,
salin natin to, guys, para naman.
So there's
So, let's go.
hole.
And this is the plushie. Misha's plushie. Guys.
It's Tiffany the rabbit.
Yeah, and this one too. Plushie too.
This is Rose.
This is the mirror.
Yeah, agree. This is a mirror, and this one
Yan.
is our queen bedroom.
So guys, mag-upload ulit kami ng part 2. So see ya! Bye!
Yeah.
Please like and subscribe. And pindutin nyo na yung notification bell para updated kayo. Bye!
Take